Hey everyone, welcome back to GK Talks. I have come up with new summary and explanation related to grade 9 English, and today's chapter which I am going to summarize is The Adventures of Toto. This is an amusing story written by Ruskin Bond. This story features the antics of a naughty monkey named Toto. The narrator's grandfather was very fond of animals, and grandfather had a collection of many animals in his private zoo, such as a tortoise, a tiny squirrel, a pair of rabbits, and a pet goat. So, before starting the summary, let us talk about the theme of the story. The story is based on the experiences of people who keep animals as pets. The theme thus deals with the outcome of the interaction between humans and animals. It shows that not all animals can adapt themselves to the human way of life. So now let us begin this summary. The narrator's grandfather was very fond of animals. He had a nice collection of animals such as a tortoise, a squirrel, a pair of rabbits, and a goat. But he did not have a monkey. So one day he bought a baby monkey from a Tonga driver and named it Toto. Toto's arrival not only gladdened him but also enriched his private zoo. Toto was an attractive monkey with sparkling eyes and pearl white teeth. He would take special delight in scaring elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. His tail added to his good look and also served as a third hand. Since grandmother did not have any interest in animals, she never welcomed grandfather with a new bird or animal in the house. So it was decided that Toto's presence should be kept a secret until grandmother was in a good mood. Toto was temporarily kept in a little closet opening into the narrator's bedroom wall, where he was tied securely to a peg fastened into the wall. Being mischievous by nature, Toto began to create a nuisance from the very first day. He removed the ornamental wallpaper, pulled out the peg, and tore off the narrator's blazer. Grandfather was quite happy to see Toto's performance. Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarters where grandfather's other animals lived together. But Toto would create troubles for them. He did not let them sleep peacefully. His activities were increasing day by day. So when grandfather had to go to Saharanpur to collect his pension, he carried Toto with him in a big black canvas kit bag. Since there was no opening in the bag to allow his hands or face to come out, he would often jump inside the bag, making the bag roll about on the floor of the Dehradun railway platform. On reaching Saharanpur, Toto was caught by the ticket collector, who classified him as a dog so that grandfather had to pay to his fare. Toto was finally accepted by the grandmother. He was then shifted to the stable where Nana, the family donkey, lived. But Toto continued teasing her, as a result of which they could never become friends. Toto loved to take bath in hot water in winter. One day, he nearly succeeded in boiling himself alive by jumping in a large kitchen kettle that had been left on the fire to boil for tea. It was grandmother who came to his rescue and saved him. Toto continued his antics by tearing clothes, breaking plate and other utensils. Everyone in the family got fed up with his mischievous activities. Even grandfather began to think seriously about him. And finally, he took a hard decision to get rid of the monkey. He found the Tonga driver and sold Toto back to him for only 3 rupees. The biggest lesson from this story is that one must behave responsibly in a good environment. So in this story, The Adventures of Toto, you could see the grandfather is nature loving, patience, and also loves animal. Most of the kids love the story and it is filled with the right kind of teaching to the excellence. The grandfather also gets sympathetic with monkey in private zoo. I hope listeners this summary will be helpful for you. You can check the description box for extra study material related to this chapter. You can check my other videos related to grade 7, 8 and 9 English. The links are flashing on your screens. Please subscribe to my channel for further updates, and if you like the video, please comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Stay safe.